How fucking beautiful is this, guys? We're missing the interior. That's the problem. That's why this car is called a barn find, because half of it's not here. It's been sitting for probably close to 6-7 years. Okay, the start of this video was supposed to be barn find Lamborghini Diablo. Unbelievable experience. Unbelievable experience. But the problem is that I already found the car. It wasn't in a barn, and it was in some guy's shop, but it is a very old Lamborghini Diablo that is already been negotiated and I've already purchased. So if you guys don't want to watch this video, please click off now, because all you're gonna see is some super secret Lamborghini Diablo that I'm about to go and get, and we're gonna put it on the tow truck and take it apart. So if that interests you, continue watching, right? But this is one special car. Now we've got the 6.0 sitting right over there. It's not my car. Terminal 8 on Instagram. John, he let me use it just to display it right next to my Mercy because it looks really cool. But after I unloaded that from the truck, I was like, oh my God, I can't believe how sick this is. You know, my business partner owns a Countach, and it's like super dope. But I drove it once and I was like, Countach, it's just not for me. I feel like I don't really fit in that. When I unloaded that thing right there, it was like, I've got to have a Diablo. And then, what do you know, 5 hours later, Tony says,
Diablo. I have a Diablo for you, Houston.
And guess what?
We found it. It's here in town. Crazy.
It's
purple.
What? How could it be a purple Lamborghini Diablo? Exactly what I'm looking for. Just fall in my lap. Anyways, let's get literally in the tow truck right now and go pick this car up, because I'm hoping that it starts, because we don't know if it starts.
How you doing today? We got a cool sponsored video by Bespoke. I just want to thank our sponsor, Bespoke. You're probably wondering what it is. So it's a monthly membership club. It's delivering awesome boxes to top shelf goods for under the radar brands for every part of life. So stuff like home decor, bar and outdoor gear, stylish picks, and a lot more. Each theme box is packed with over $70 in value, plus useful advice on how to use these everyday products. I'm excited to rip this box open, so let's get this started.
I can't wait to see what's inside. Box got there.
Yeah. Oh yeah. All right, so we got 3 boxes here. I'm actually getting anxious to just rip it open already. Oh, yeah. Check this out. Dude, that's what I'm talking. Are you kidding me? Like,
I'm gonna cut somebody up.
I'm just kidding, let's not go there. Wow, check this out, look at this. This is actually good weighted. It's like a throwing axe for damn sure. Then, oh, okay. Pull, start, fire, put it open, bap, rip it open, boom, fire. Box number 2. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Okay. So, cone, log cabin, pyramid. Oh, what is this? So, solar lantern. So you got some solar product in here. Oh, heck yeah. Little hunting knife. All right. A starter stone, which I really don't know what this is. Do you guys know what this is? I don't know, but it's pretty cool, I guess. A trifold camp shovel. Okay. Trifold camp shovel, Mario. Shovel. So we got a shovel, which who would even think that would be in there? A military compass. 3rd and final box. Oh, okay. Mario, get a zoom in on that. Made from Italy, so Rossini. It's a Rossini. Then you have like a serving tray. So I'm obviously maybe some salami cheese, glasses, ice. That's what I'm talking about. Heck yeah. So for only 45 bucks, look at what you get. If you're a man like me, I mean, a throwing axe, come on, bro. You gotta be ridiculous right now. Just stuff like that just excites me and stuff. We got stuff for the family, the campfire. You know, every time that you order something, you get a box every single month, and it's always different. So you're always like exciting, waiting for this box to come in. And you're discovering new products that I didn't even know existed, and brand names I didn't even know that were out there. So if you wanna get a box like this today, all right, go down to the link in the description below and you type in Royalty 20. That way you can get your 20% today.
Shout out to Manny and the Royalty Car Wash. They're about to wash the tow truck, but instead we got customer cars in here ready to roll, and I can't believe the super detail. How could it be? The least expensive car on the planet is in the most expensive car wash in Las Vegas. That doesn't even make any sense, but it's cool, and we're gonna get in the tow truck and go get this Lamborghini. Cold start. You guys hear that? Wow. Did you hear that, Beer?
I did.
Cold
I heard
start.
the knocking.
Did you hear it?
I did.
Cold start.
We're gonna crash! Ah! Turbo left.
Oh yeah, we made it. We made it. Know about the tow truck, Beer?
No, this is my
Got 19,000 horsepower.
horsepower. Don't get him started.
I got 77 PSI in every single tire except that one. You almost got killed. My food truck's right there, guys. Food truck update. It's right there. Okay. It's here. It's right there. I can see it. Beer, first reactions.
Sick.
What the?
Where's the hood?
Come on.
That's sick. Hey, that's dope.
Tony, he ruined it.
He did,
Totally
man.
ruined it.
Beer, you're
Totally
so
ruined it.
pessimistic.
Get out of the car,
What do you
Beer.
mean? It's the car and load the truck.
Get out of the car, Beer. Because Beer asked where the rest of it was, I'm gonna make Beer put all the rest of it in the truck by himself, okay? It's ridiculous. Anyways, how fucking beautiful is this, guys? Honestly, look, we got the stock wheels, don't worry about the wheels. We got the stock parts, don't worry about the parts. We've also got, we're missing the interior. That's the problem. That's why this car is called a barn find, because half of it's not here. But it's a Lamborghini Diablo. It's purple. It's amazing. How could you get a car so sick, this color, on this fly? Like, I just can't believe it. But that's really what they used to look like. This is a 1992 Lamborghini Diablo, and well, it's seen slightly better days, but it's not like that bad, because look how fucking shiny it is, right? We got no paint chips except that little one right there, and it just needs a little bit of love and care. It's been sitting for probably close to 6-7 years. Now, this car originally was Count's Customs Lamborghini Diablo. Danny, I believe, is his name, and well, I think it was just on display, because I've seen pictures of this in the showroom missing the mirrors, and it just seems so weird because the mirrors are just sitting in a box next to the car. Why not just put them in? 100% sure. This is Greg. Hey, Greg's on Count's Customs. Okay, now that's cool. You know, I didn't even watch Count's Customs before. I met Greg and had no idea he was a celebrity. And it is amazing because being a celebrity's got a lot of power. And honestly, you hold it very well. You've got me a Diablo outside that
Yes, I do.
has a bunch of parts, and I want to see, because I was thinking, while I loaded, if you can put them in the car.
Sure.
You know, like, you just put the parts back on the car. Just kidding. Tony's going to do them. He's got his gloves on right here. Go ahead.
What are we doing?
Greg said his guys left so that he couldn't do the parts, and I was like, well, it's cool, because I brought Tony, because Tony's going to put the parts in the car.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Didn't know it ran.
It sounds good. Huh?
Sounds good.
Yeah. Try to get that door shut.
No,
Let it warm up. First reaction.
let it run for a minute.
Yeah. The seat's too lean back for me. Can't reach. You look cool though. I can't reach. Yeah, I look like DMX and Exit Moves.
Yeah,
You know?
I want that one.
Where's that backpack full of cash?
Yeah, I want that one, dog. And give him the commission.
Give him the commission. We'll put the truck back close.
Here, just to spot him. Go spot him. Grab it, beer. Woo!
Is that actual paint job? Or is that a wrap? That's actual paint? Boy. Get the fuck out of here. Isn't that crazy? I'm gonna put it right next to that purple Gallardo. I got the orange version, even the orange Diablo. Now I got the Diablo and the Gallardo. Sick, huh?
Edmund, you want to jump in and drive it off the truck because it runs and drives?
It drives. I know it doesn't. It does?
Yeah, are you crazy?
Yeah. Kill it, huh?
You bought this for 60K?
Don't tell everybody that. God damn it. I paid $200,000 for this car, okay?
This guy gets the best deals on every single car. I don't know how you do it. I'm so jealous.
It's called being the king of lowballing. Okay, so first stop for the new Diablo is the Royalty Auto Spa. So Manny, come over here. I gotta show you this. I just need to see, this is my new car. I wanna see what you guys can do with this. Okay, this is Manny. He's got the Royalty Auto Spa unlock over here. This is what I got. I'm looking for maybe the $65 to $85 package. Do you think that's gonna take care of this?
What do you mean by take care of it?
Well, I just need to look a little bit better than it is. It's been sitting for a long time, so this is kind of my problem, right? Like, I have some dust, I have some little bit of buildup right here, so I want to maybe get like a small interior detail, right? I have some paint issues, but it just, I feel like maybe like a little buff here and there, spot buffing. And I'm looking for an engine clean, right? Because the engine has been kind of sitting for a little while. What do you think?
The best I can do for 65 bucks is a wash and then a quick cleanup on the interior.
So you're saying you could get this working right?
Maybe.
I mean, what's it gonna cost me to get this car looking brand new, like you said?
Brand new?
Yeah.
Upwards of $750, to be honest.
$750. What kind of car wash is this? Honestly, please tell me what $750 is gonna buy me, because I honestly feel like I need to really understand this before I spend this kind of money on my car. This is really crazy. $750, please go through that, because I'm really interested.
So at $750, we'd give this whole engine bay a cleanup. Any vinyl, plastic, or rubber that's in the engine bay, we would restore by using some silicone dressings, as well as we would wash this whole entire vehicle, decontaminate the paint, go through a paint correction to get a lot of these swirls, scratches, anything that's embedded into the paint, like iron particles out of it. We'd clean the full interior, dress any leather that's in here to give it some life.
So why would I need to dress it? Is that Armor All? What are you talking about? I don't want to put Armor All in this. This is Italian leather.
Absolutely.
Are you crazy?
Not. So we use leather conditioners. What leather conditioners do is they bring back the suppleness of the leather, give it some moisture back, and it's kind of like lotion for leather.
Interesting.
Right? Yeah. So then we would clean up your whole entire interior using leather cleaners specifically, because that's the safest for interior. You don't want to use all-purpose cleaner on leather. It's not the best choice for it, right? And then as far as your carpets down here, you'd need to extract them.
We do a shampoo down there? We're getting a shampoo?
Yes, getting a shampoo.
Shampoo, all right. Okay.
Full shampoo.
How about the smell? Because I'm having a really hard time with this old smell. Now, I assume after a car wash it's gonna smell better, but like, I really don't think that this smells kind of bad. It smells old. It smells like it's been sitting in a barn for 40 years.
Yeah. So we'd go ahead and steam clean that.
What is that gonna do? I don't understand steaming.
So steam cleaning would kill any bacteria, any mold, mildew that's in it.
So it's gonna sanitize my car.
It's gonna sanitize your car.
This car's now COVID free. Holy. All right, look, $750 is a little on the high side of my budget. So let's just see, can we start off maybe, can we negotiate the $750?
Yeah, of course we can. So without the paint correction, you'd be looking at probably about $250.
Okay, so I'm interested in the $250 because the paint for me, you know, I'm not sure if I want to go through the paint correction yet because I haven't decided if I want to even keep this color. It looks beautiful, but maybe the OEM color could use a little just brightening, right? I think let's start off with the interior and the engine bay. Give me a nice little wash and let's see how it comes out.
All right.
Okay?
We got you.
All right, $350 deal.